Do you want to generate unlimited high quality AI images in your smartphone but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video I will let you know how you can generate unlimited high quality AI images in your smartphone. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all install Meta AI app from your app store, and then you have to create an account in Meta AI app. You can create account with your Facebook account or your Instagram account. I have already created my Meta AI account. So now I will open my Meta AI account and you will see the glasses option on right hand side. In the bottom, click on that and then you will see the ask anything option. Over here you can enter your own prompt or you can generate prompt from chat gpt as well. So I will go to chat gpt and I will tell chat gpt to generate image prompt for me. So here we go, chat gpt is now generating an image prompt for me. You can see that chat gpt has generated my image prompt. Now simply I will copy this image prompt. Here we go. Now I will go back to the Meta AI app and I will enter the prompt here and you will see the blue arrow. Click on that. Now processing of the image will be started, and Meta AI is very fast while generating images, and you can generate images in few seconds, and you can see that image has been generated. So friends, this is how you can generate unlimited high quality AI images in your smartphone. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.